During the pandemic, we all had to turn. We did whatever we could.
People felt incredibly isolated.
Art is what saved us in the pandemic.
And it's the beauty of the arts that people can come together.
It gives them hope. That's what recharging the arts will do. It gives us hope.
The arts provide so much more than momentary joy.
They boost our economy. They provide employment.
Most importantly, the arts enrich our lives.
Our state believes in the value of the arts.
So Oklahoma has recently invested $10 million of federal grant money into the arts sector.
And we're ready to use that grant money to recharge the arts.
Recharging the arts is really about bringing to the forefront the importance of the arts and how vital it is to our sense of community and our sense of well-being and our quality of life in Oklahoma.
Recharging the arts is very important to Ponca City because as a small town, we need the arts.
It's really important to us that we are open to everyone from all economic backgrounds and to be a place where people can gather and enjoy the arts.
My hope for the future of the arts in Oklahoma is to continue to build strong leaders through the many disciplines that the arts provide.
The students want art. They want to learn this. It means so much to bring art to the tribal representation that we have in Pawhuska. It reaches deep into the community.
The ARPA grant funding is absolutely a blessing. It's going to enable us to really take a strong look at where we're going to go over the next 5 years.
It's just a huge relief to know that your organization's getting that kind of funding to feel comfortable and confident to continue your programming.
Philbrook's plan for our ARPA funding is primarily focused on rebuilding our school tour programs. We host about 9,000 K-12 students every year on tours, and that may be their only art experience of their year.
It's the beauty of the arts that people can come together and have a shared experience. I think it really speaks to our sense of humanity and our ability to understand one another.
We are creative beings, and that's where a lot of our joy comes in life.
You know, I think recharging the arts to me means that we're going to bring the arts to everyone and make sure that everybody knows just how important it is.
Our organizations have seen firsthand when the arts thrive, Oklahomans thrive.
Oklahoma's arts sector adds $4.8 billion to our state's economy.
Employs more than 42,000 people.
And fills our state with culture and beauty.
Across the state, Oklahomans are creative and inspired.
And thanks to this grant funding, the arts are here to stay in Oklahoma.